just done the don't pay any attention technique, and it seems to have worked. What happened?
In the hole.
Rob's in the hole.
The depression?
I'll turn this off until he comes out. Oh, he's going back. Keep him out. I think you got him out now.
Elaine's on?
Elaine's on too.
Yep.
Oh, it's a halfer nanny.
Something happened.
Yeah, we better hold that up. Keep fighting, Elaine.
Yes.
That doesn't sound.
I know.
Elaine needs a butt plug. Oh, Vicki's on too. Come on, it's got to fight.
I'm just hanging on to mine.
Hold him up. See Elaine's fish? What's he got, Elaine?
No, but something's playing with mine too.
Oh no, leave Elaine's alone.
Gone around. He's got a sinker in
Oh, he's got a shark. Bugger.
you or me?
Sharks. Oh no, there's quite a few fish coming through there now. Beauty. No, not a bass.
Bass or jack?
I reckon it's a bass.
What's wrong with basses?
They're sick carries.
Oh.
Have a look at the sides of it. A couple of his teeth are broken off.
Hold him. Hold him.
It's a photo of Robbie Holden.
Oh, well done.
Well, for catching trout.
Oh.
Rob's on. Oh, nice fish, Rob.
You get out of the way. Oh,
Vikki, eh? Good one.
Oh, thingy on the eyes.
Yeah.
True.
What? You're better off seeing crayfish on the top here than you are.
Some wayward swimmers. Got one there, Dale. I don't think so. I think you got a nanny. Good nanny too.
Staying put. Not running away.
Nice nanny. Yep, I can see it. It's a corker.
Oh, yes. Holy. Biggest one for today, I reckon. Huge. Oh, oh, and he's fucking. Cheers.
Cheers.
Great day.
Cheers.